With the JKIA Adani deal continuing to raise more questions than answers, with the farmers set to take over key sectors in the country, it has now emerged that Adani might have had an upper hand in its quest to develop this strategic facility.
My name is Christine Iseme.
Senators in a session with Treasury CS Mbadi and the Public-Private Partnership Directorate, led by its Director General Chris Kirigua, questioned why other farms were not considered despite submitting proposals.
Were there any other companies that actually made an offer over this or inquired about this transaction that you gave to Adani?
The only document that came to us is a PIP proposal that was sent to us on 1st of March 2024 and the one of April 2023.
With the farms interested in the deal writing to the Kenya Airports Authority before the authority notifies the directorate on the same, failure by the authority to notify the PPP directorate of the proposals submitted by two other farms which had interest in developing the airport raises eyebrows.
The GMR proposal, we actually saw it on social media. We did not see it based on a formal submission.
The issue KAA chooses what to forward and not to forward. That is something that as a committee we have to discuss.
That there is somebody at KAA who determines what to forward for evaluation by PPP and which ones do not go to
You've
evaluation.
got my point.
As the CS Mbadi struggled to defend the takeover deal, the issue of Adani's credibility also took center stage. Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna having an issue with the National Treasury and the PPP Directorate using financial statements to determine their credibility and as to whether the firm is currently embroiled in any legal proceedings.
The document I have says they provided audited financial statements. There's no mention of an affidavit.
I am mentioning it because I'm under oath. And I want to, so that I make your work easy, Senator Sifuna, because you will ask me. I am telling you that this audited financial statement as of 31st March 2023 was provided under a sworn affidavit. If you want evidence of that, we can provide.
Honorable Mbadi, you're a CPA, I'm a lawyer. You know for a fact that whether somebody has live criminal or civil proceedings going on is not contained in financial statements. There has to be something else to confirm that there doesn't exist any litigation.
Just a couple of weeks after JKIA staff staged a go-slow over fears of job losses if Adani takes over operations of the strategic facility, Treasury CS Mbadi was at pains to explain how the firm was going to absorb JKIA employees, with the firm in its proposal committing to absorb a certain percentage of employees.
What percentage were they proposing, if you're aware?
Yeah, so the percentage they were taking, I may need to cross-check in their proposal.
It is clear in that proposal from Adani that it is not everyone they intend to absorb. So you are saying what we should do. You are saying what we should do. We should push them so that they take everybody up. But at the very minimum, as a person responsible for your docket, you should know what they are asking for.
With the deal currently being counted in the courts, the Kalonzo-led Azimio faction have been enjoined in a petition seeking to stop the takeover deal on grounds of failing to undertake proper public participation. The petitioners have been given up to the 30th of this month to submit amended petitions, with the case set to be mentioned on 17th of October 2024. Ian Keitani, K24 TV, Nairobi.